In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access privacy. Then hit app lock and tap on change password type to select one of those login methods you wish to use to unlock your apps. When you finished, create it. Tap on the next step and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit OK. Now if you wish to link your account, tap on link at the bottom. If you don't, select skip at the top right corner. Finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it and go back. If you want to disable app lock from the chosen app, go back to the same settings. Enter your app lock and use no blue switcher next to your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!